Gay Igbo King, gay juicy Igbo King morning. I am still in bed. I'm having a gay Igbo King morning. The weather is weird, but I need to get up and go. I need to start my day. A lot of my people who use religion as a weapon, especially when they speak to gay people, to LGBTQIA plus individuals, that is when they remember that Holy Ghost fire exists. I've never seen Holy Ghost fire before. Someone needs to explain to me what a Holy Ghost fire is. That is one of the comments that I always see when I post my videos. And another one is God punish you. God punish you for me. It will not be better for you. It will not be better for you, as Africans will say. At the end of the day, whether you like it or not, I am going to continue to be a juicy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered, glowy, doing what needs to be done Igbo gay man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. I need to get out of this bed. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Seriously? It is raining. I wasn't expecting it to rain. I don't understand. Why is it raining? It's 11 degrees, but it feels much colder. I don't understand why some of our people, the hill that they've chosen to unalive themselves is the hill of LGBTQIA plus individuals. I will never, ever, ever understand for the life of me. There are people that I know that I don't get to hear from at all. It can be for like 1 year, 2 years, sometimes even 3 years. I will never hear from them until when they have financial struggles, when they need help. That's when they contact me. And this has happened to me so many times and I ignore this. I don't even have money to give anybody. But it's just weird when that happens. Most of these people don't live in the same city as me and sometimes even the same country. I don't really like this. I need to drive quickly and do what I need to do. I have a freaking weird headache. I have new tires as well. It was just changed this morning and the feel of the car is different. I don't know why. Maybe because of it rained. Maybe more air is needed to be added. I don't know. I'm just going to do my quick early morning workout. Anyway, let me just do this quickly and then get going. I just came out of the gym. I don't know. When I went to the changing room, I don't know what type of perfume this person used, but whatever this perfume is horrible. I was sneezing. Thank you so much for always being here. Thank you so much for spending some time with this juicy, moisturized, glowy, hydrated, unbothered Igbo gay man. Make sure to listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is every Tuesday. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.